Hi, this is Arun here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to change app icon in Flutter project. So now you can see this is the Flutter icon in my business card. So let's change it. Let's visit on app icon. Notice you have to click on upload your logo which you wanted to change in your app. Once you uploaded, click on generate. Now go to the downloads. So it's generated here. Unzip this file and now click on it here and copy this folder. Once you copy, go to the main project. This is my main project. Go to the iOS runner and click here and replace it. Now it's replaced. So let me uninstall my app first. And open this and restart your project. Flutter. It will take some time here, so just let's wait here. Still it's taking time. So it's running. Now you can see this icon is changed. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.